Hey there, welcome back to another video by Chemical Engineering Life. Many chemical engineers throughout their careers end up in one way or another into the role of a project manager. But what are the skills that allow those chemical engineers to transition into project management? Well, that is the question that we will be answering today in this video, so do watch the video till the very end and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Chemical Engineering Life channel for more videos. Let's begin. The very first skill that we have on the list is communication and stakeholder management. Communication and stakeholder management involves conveying project progress, project issues, and achievements to internal teams and stakeholders. Now, since being a project manager involves having clear communication between different departments and managing expectations, therefore, chemical engineers need to regularly update their stakeholders, including their clients, senior management, and relevant line of business. And having effective communication ensures that everyone is aligned with the project goals and timelines, which can help you build trust and avoid any sort of misunderstanding. Therefore, having clear communication with stakeholders is essential for making sure that their needs are met and that the project objectives are achieved without any funny surprises along the way. The skill that we have in number 4 is financial management and budgeting. Financial management involves overseeing project budgets, estimating costs, managing expenses, and most importantly, ensuring that the project remains financially viable. Obviously, it is no secret in the corporate world, a project is only afloat as long as it makes sense financially. Therefore, chemical engineers transitioning into project management must be able to manage a project's financial aspects. Additionally, these skills also help them ensure that the resources are allocated efficiently and projects do not exceed the financial constraints. Proper financial oversight ensures that cost overruns are avoided and resources are used effectively, making this skill of financial management a crucial one for successful project delivery. The skill that we have in number 3 is risk management. Now, risk management involves identifying, assessing, mitigating potential risks that may hinder the success of a project. This includes everything from safety hazards to financial uncertainties and technological challenges and whatnot. Chemical engineering projects often involve complex systems where the margin for error is minimal. Project managers must anticipate risks such as process failures, supply chain disruptions, or regulatory issues and develop effective contingency plans to manage them. Therefore, having strong risk management skills ensure that potential problems are identified as early as possible, minimizing the impact on the project's success. The skill that we have at number 2 is project planning and scheduling. Project planning and scheduling involves defining the project scope, establishing timelines, assigning resources, and setting deadlines. Obviously, there are a great deal of tools at your disposal, such as Microsoft Project or Gantt charts, which can help you track the project progress, but the main heavy lifting of strategizing still has to be done by the project managers. Chemical engineers are great at this skill already because they possess structured processes, and project planning leverages this ability to break down tasks into actionable steps. And therefore, being skilled in scheduling ensures that projects are completed on time and within scope. The skill that we have at number 1 is, unsurprisingly, leadership and team management. Leadership and team management skills are essential for guiding and motivating a team to lead them towards a common goal. This includes multiple responsibilities such as delegating tasks, managing diverse teams, making strategy, and inspiring collaboration. As a project manager, a chemical engineer will no longer only focus on the technical aspects, but rather must also oversee and guide teams. Therefore, strong leadership and management skills ensures that project milestones are met and team members work efficiently together. These were the top 5 skills which we feel are the most essential for chemical engineers who are thinking of transitioning into project management. If you agree or disagree, then do tell us in the comments below. And do not forget to learn more about Chemical Engineering Life at our website www.ChemEngLife.com, where you can learn more about our initiative. Also, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Chemical Engineering Life channel for more videos. Thank you and have a great day.